Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. In today's video, we are going to be making some delicious waffles. Before, weekends used to be for weddings, but today they are for staying home, having elaborate breakfast, and staying out of trouble. So I'm going to share with you this simple waffle recipe I know you are going to love. So let's get right into it. In a large mixing bowl, we are going to add some milk and some Greek yogurt, 2 eggs, sugar, and some vanilla extract. And you are going to whisk everything until the yogurt is loosened up and everything is mixed together very well. When the mixture is well combined, we are going to set it aside and work on our dry ingredients. To my flour, I'm going to add some nutmeg, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and I'm going to mix everything together until it is well combined. I then add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients and mix everything together very well. It needs to be well mixed, but be careful not to overmix it as well. If not, your waffles are going to come off really hard and tough. Remember, we want light and fluffy waffles, and so stop when it is just combined. Now add your butter and fold in the butter with a spatula. I switched to my spatula because I don't want to overmix it by using the whisk. Allow the butter to rest for about 10 minutes and then proceed to make the waffles. Spray your waffle iron with some oil or melted butter to prevent your waffle batter from sticking onto it. I'm going to cook my waffles for just about 4 to 5 minutes, but just keep in mind that every waffle maker works differently. So you want to cook your waffles according to the instructions that comes with your waffle maker. The waffles are best served immediately, but you can keep it in your oven at about 80 to 100 degrees until you are done with all of them. This batter makes about 7 normal size waffles, and so I'm going to continue making all of them. And finally, on to the last waffle. These are looking so delicious, golden and very fluffy on the inside. I know you are going to love it. Just look at how golden they are. I like to serve mine with some whipped cream, topped with some fresh berries and cherries. And I'm also going to drizzle it with some maple syrup. And finally, dust it with some powdered sugar. And I'm going to devour this like my life depends on it. You can also enjoy this with your family. So head straight to your kitchen or to the store and go get your ingredients and enjoy this in the morning with your family. So guys, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.